How to fix Instagram account not loading. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix Instagram account not loading. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, let's head over to Instagram, and what we need to do first is to just log out of account and log back in. You can do so by clicking over to this profile icon right here, and from in there you can see this right here just beside your username. So just click on that and then click on this right here. You can log into your other account, and then after that you can also just log in back to your first account that you have right there. So if that still doesn't solve your issue, then what you can do is just completely uninstall Instagram and reinstall it. You can do so by clicking over Instagram right here, long pressing it, and clicking on uninstall right here, and just uninstall it. After you have uninstalled Instagram, you can head over to Play Store and then search for Instagram right here again, and from in there you can just install it from your Play Store. And from in there, after you're done installing it, you can head over again and log back into your account, and then make sure that your Instagram account is now loading. However, if that doesn't still solve your issue, what you can do next is to listen to these alternative options. So if the Instagram app doesn't work for you, then maybe you can use the Instagram Lite. So this is also Instagram but a lighter version, so you can just install that account right here and then install to your account from in there on your device. So just proceed on the steps and install Instagram Lite, and after install it, as you can see, it is now loading. Then click on open right there, and from in there you can just log your account on Instagram just like how you log in to your Instagram account. So click on login right here. So as you can see, it is now loading, but if it still doesn't work for you, what you can do is just uninstall your Instagram account again and head over to your browser. And then when in your browser, just search for Instagram old version APK, and from in there you can click on this Instagram and up to down, and you can see older versions of Instagram right here. Just choose the one that fits you the best, and then after that just install it, and that should be able to resolve your issues. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Instagram account not loading. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.